easy do-it-yourself teacher Christmas gift or hostess gift can be made in about 5 to 10 minutes with the kids helping or making it themselves. Let me show you the simple step-by-step process. The supply list will be at the end of the post. Print off a copy of the free labels for this craft. There's a link below or in the post. Decorate those however you would like. Just let the kids have fun. I added some holly and some poinsettias to a couple of mine. Pretty clever little saying there. We whisk you a Merry Christmas. A friend gave me one of these several years ago and I thought it was so cute. Take your scissors and cut the labels out on the heavy black line, and then take a hole punch and punch a hole on one end because you'll be tying it onto a ribbon later on. Go ahead and set these to the side and we'll go on to the next step. I purchased some clear cellophane at a craft store, and it was in with the gift wrapping section, and it was just a roll of the clear cellophane, which made it very easy to use. Roll your cellophane out onto your tabletop and cut it into a large square. Then take your whisk and put the wire section in the very center of that cellophane square. I used a larger whisk, but you can use whatever size of whisk you would like. Take your Hershey's Kisses or whatever kind of candy you would like and fill the center part of the whisk with that candy. With the larger whisk, I kind of had to hold on to it with my hand to keep it inside the wires, but it worked just great. Then take the cellophane and wrap it up around the whisk, all the way around, holding those kisses in place. Gather the cellophane up around the handle of the whisk and tie it with some curling ribbon or any kind of ribbon that you have. Take your label and tie it onto that curling ribbon so it stays in place, and then curl the ends of those ribbons. That's my favorite part of using curling ribbon, I might add. I trimmed up the top edges of the cellophane because some of the edges were kind of sticking out a bit. Here's what my smaller whisk looked like. I thought it was really cute with the multicolored wires on it. I love getting gifts that are practical and useful like this, and I think your teacher or hostess will as well. For more great Christmas ideas, come on over to welcometonanas.com and join the fun.